Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to compare two dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam, and on the right, we have the ARIFAYZ dash cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams claim to deliver crystal clear footage. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers a triple-channel system with 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ dash cam boasts FHD 1080p video with a wide-angle lens. Both cameras capture license plates and road signs during the day and night. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam features a wide dynamic range and f1.8 aperture for excellent color precision and clarity, even in low-light conditions. It also has 4 infrared lights to capture the driver and passengers in the cabin, perfect for rideshare drivers. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam automatically powers on and records a protected video when it detects a collision without the need for a hardwire kit. It also offers 24-hour recording when connected to a hardwire kit. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the ARIFAYZ dash cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Remember to comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.